What's up everyone, Allan Morrow here and welcome to this Trance Arpeggio tutorial. If you've ever struggled creating trance arps for your track, then be sure to check this out because I'm going to be showing you a number of different ways so that you can see which way works best for you. I'll show you how to evolve your arps musically and make them more interesting with unique layering techniques. I'll also be showing you how to turn your arps into melodies and experiment with different progressions. In addition to these techniques, I'll be going over some more advanced sound design so that you can make your arps more interesting and more professional. And in addition to this, you get an in-depth insight into my approach to creating arps so that you feel confident when you go to creating them in your own DAW. So if you want to take your ARP creation to the next level, then be sure to check out this tutorial at allanmorrowstudios.com.